You guys are liking these shorter tutorials, so I'm going to do this Doodle heart design in a quicker 3-minute tutorial. So if you cannot freehand a heart on, don't be scared to make yourself a template to trace. As you can see here, my heart isn't perfectly even either, and that's okay. Now I'm going to place the lines down on this rock, and once I get all of them on there, if you want to just pause it so that you can kind of copy them onto your stone. Putting your lines down first just really kind of helps everything stay somewhat even when you create the design. So we're doing horizontal, vertical, and diagonal lines here to create our heart. Again, right here, good time to take a little screenshot if you need to. Once those are on, we're going to start filling in our design, and we're going to do that by creating these arches on either side of the line. Now you want to build your flowers up evenly so you don't end up with one with really big bulge in the center without the bulge happening on the rest of them at the same time. So once you get petals on all of them, just keep rotating and working your way around, creating larger and larger petals on each and every one of them. As these petals get bigger, you're going to get smaller and smaller spaces that you're going to kind of squeeze those lines in and fill those lines in, but you can keep stretching them out until it completely fills the entire inside shape of your heart. So I'm going to speed up part of this here for you so you can check out it filling in and seeing how these flowers just kind of fill all that space all the way up into each section. And so once you have one flower done in the corner, you can kind of finish working that one in and then other flowers, but you want to build them up fairly evenly. Anywhere else in the center gaps, you can add just a little bit of black to fill in the space if it's getting too muddy with lines. Once you have your entire heart filled with the design, you can come back and add a black outline. That's what I did for this one. You can leave it as it was if you want to do that as well. This is definitely just a preference thing. I like a nice crisp line, and I kind of went over my edges a few places. If you're not going to outline it, you can be a little more careful not to kind of go over the edge like I did there, and you'll have this beautiful design. So once you see it finished, it looks super impressive. It looks like it's really hard to do, but as you can see in this quick little tutorial, it is something that you can definitely do yourself as well. So I hope you give this one a try. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Comment below if you're going to paint one. Bye-bye.